Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be walking you guys through the addition, single digit addition practice page of the book. So this is a great video for if you're a teacher and you want an instructional video that you can watch or show to other teachers if they're getting the book, or if you're a homeschool parent and you want to watch this video to see how to do it for yourself or do it with your child. Okay, so let me walk you guys through it and how to get it done. Okay, so for number one, it's 4 plus 1. So typically, when I'm teaching a single digit addition to kids, I always like to make sure I talk about place value. Okay, so you always want to you always want to make sure you talk about place value. Okay, so PV stands for place value. Okay, so when you see PV, that's what I mean by when I'm talking about place value. So for place value, you always want to make sure you tell them about again, the different places. So your hundreds place, so H, your tens place, T, and then your ones place, which is O. Okay. So looking at these numbers, 4 and 1, you first want to think to yourself, what place value is the numbers in? Like, so what place do they have? Is it in the hundreds place, tens place, or ones place? So 4 and 1 obviously would be in the ones place. Okay. So that's going to be in the ones place. So those numbers are going to be in the ones place. Okay. So that's very easy to do. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay. Now, the reason why you want to bring up place value is because you're setting the stage for those early skills of when they're dealing with bigger numbers. Like, let's say they're dealing with 100, they're dealing with 100 plus 55. Okay, if they don't understand place value, then they might think that maybe the number might instead be 5 plus 1. Then you end up with, they somehow ended up with 655, and that's strictly because they didn't understand place value. So that's the reason why, even though the numbers are really small like this, you still want to make a conscious effort to practice place value. And there's a page in the book that goes over place value for you guys. Okay, now the reason why it's better to go deeper than that than just starting off with just counting on your fingers, or, that's a good way to do. But again, that's not going to help the child when they're dealing with bigger numbers like 100, 10,000, 255, what have you. Okay. Now, for number one, again, another good way to teach this is, again, just simply draw a picture. So maybe tell the child, draw, show me 4 lines and add one more. Okay, so now all together, tally marks. Now again, if you're doing tally marks, you know not to put it off to the side like that, but it's going to get fast. So drawing a picture is another good way to teach this. But again, I like to start off with deeper skills like place value to start off with. Okay, so for number two, 5 plus 5, again, that's really simple. Again, you can draw a picture, so have the child actually draw out, excuse me, 5 uh, tally marks, and, actually draw out 5 tally marks, okay? And then, again, just draw 5 more, okay? Count up the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So your answer is 10. But again, I'd like to focus more on place value. So maybe helping the child understand that, okay, how many ones do I have? This is 5 ones being added to 5 more ones. Oh, okay. Well, that's literally like I just doubled 5. So that's 10. So again, by doing place value, you're also setting the stage for deeper conversations about repeated addition, multiplication, early skills like that. So as they get into, because this book is for kindergarten and first grade, but as they start learning those skills early on, then they can start building into deeper level. Okay, so let's just go ahead and go through the rest. 4 plus 2, that's really simple. They could count on their hands, or again, you could even practice counting. So maybe 1, have them write the numbers. 3, 4, Okay, and I know I need to go 2 more. Oh, sorry, I wrote, sorry, I wrote 4, I skipped ahead. 5, I need to write 1 more. Okay, so 6. So practice counting. Another cool technique that you can use is a number line. So you guys can try out a number line. So a number line is always now when I used to teach this in school, I always would butcher this, but it's really simple. So you tell the kid, okay, just draw the number line, put 5 lines. Okay, so you got 5. Now you need to go 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5. So remember that's 5. 4 more. 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. So that's 9. So then just count the number of humps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So your answer is 9. So a number line is another good technique. So place value, always talking about that. Encouraging counting, drawing pictures, and again, using a number line. So that's a great picture to draw. So real quick, just to go out through the rest, 1 plus 1, again, you guys know it's 2. 5 plus 5, 7. 8 plus 8 is 10. And then 3 plus is, okay? So that's how I would teach it. That's how I would go over it. Again, just making sure you're drumming home those early math skills and just those foundational skills like place value, and helping them understand that you're really just doing basic multiplication. You're really building the skills for multiplication as well. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. If you need help sourcing the book, feel free to let me know. It's very easy to find. Definitely check out the other Big Bay Cleanup. Check out that book. Check out the other videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.